Need to cut your hair. New year, new look. No more hair. Oh, look. No more hair.
It's gonna go back.
Sinabing magpagupit, gupit ka agad. Kasi baka mag-change ang mind. Next year uli ang gupit. So once in a year only na.
Yes.
Oh my God. We should have every 3 months.
It takes no.
Yan, pwede na rin pagtiyagaan ang gupit ni Mami. Yan. Yung likod. Gusto niya kasi nakakover yung tainga niya. Kaya wag lang natin yan anuhin. Gupitin. Kasi baka ayaw na magpagupit. Yan.